What's good, boys? We are already cooking on our demo account. As you can see right here, look at what we are doing. Actually, I'm about to catch 500 points. It's a 1 to 25 restore ratio on my paper account. I caught an entry pre-market at 7 a.m. right here, based off just like we had this higher time frame SMT as well. We ended up flipping really nicely right here and using this gap retraced. Tapped into this 1 hour gap, also did like an SMT, I think, right here, and ended up rejecting with a big candle. We retraced, and I thought we will never go back lower, so I entered right there at this stop, and it's actually insane. So yeah, I'm just gonna relock onto my trader weight, and we're gonna trade normally right here. It looks like we are gonna pump. I'm definitely more bullish. I don't want to short at all. I don't think there's something good to short, especially those SMTs. I don't know, like I want to keep long into all-time highs. Quick reminder, all-time high is still 400 points away, so this is kind of chopped. We also took out a high, put in an SMT right here, and we also took out the internal high and put in another SMT right here. So this is kind of a telltale sign that and we are rejecting. This is kind of telling me, okay, we want to go lower. And the only draw that I would love to target is this new week opening gap. But in order to do that, I literally need like a fat 1 hour candle closing like this. I really don't want to go lower. So I like this target as well. This is like only an internal high. I like this target. Oh, why am I so tiny? What the fuck? I like this target a lot. Right here. Wait. Okay, I destroyed pretty much everything. Let me fix that right here. Boom. I like this high. I like this high. This is Asia high. We left it unmitigated. And we are also delivering from a daily gap. So I really think that we should go higher. Just doesn't make any sense for me to not do that. I just want to wait for clear displacement, but I love that of open we are manipulating into this 15-minute gap. Yes, kind of still holding. So yeah, wait. Let me change my broker. I would low-key be fine with taking this. I mean, SMT do not make up your trades. Like, just because you have an SMT, it doesn't mean it will go into this direction. SMTs should only be used as a catalyst, I would say. It makes the trade idea. It doesn't make the trade idea. It makes the trade idea better, if you know what I mean. It doesn't form the trade idea, but it makes it better. So I don't really care about those SMTs. If we keep pushing higher. If we show signs of weaknesses, then I know, okay, those SMTs are valid, like they are holding, we want to keep going lower. Yeah, valid. But for me, I don't know. Alpha open, we kind of take out that high and dump like aggressively lower, which is also throwing me off. 55-point candle lower. I don't know. Manipulated into CE, stopped at right at CE. And also SMT at this tiny internal. Oh, no, we don't actually. We don't. We don't have any SMTs. SMT at this internal low would be nice. Kind of resweeping SCE. This is what I want to see. And then like maybe get a clean displacement candle. And I only need 1.3 R, guys. I only need 1.3 R in order to pass the account. So this would be enough. Something like this. Yeah, the first 5-minute candle wasn't like the greatest. It doesn't really show where we want to go. Only kind of swept out all of those highs right here and delivered lower. Right, we could also chop, so I'm gonna be really careful. You could easily chop and kind of stay in this fuck ass range, if you know what I mean, and just edge the draws on top and edge the draws below. Because there's SMT right here and also SMTs right here. Still, I don't use it as the main confluence, but like we could easily start ping-ponging. So right now I'm gonna be really patient. The first 15-minute close is also what I'm looking for. I don't know, man. I don't know. Kind of slowing down. I like this. Looks like we're gonna shoot up, but I'm just gonna wait right now. yeah, I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna scroll reels, gonna play Clash Royale, and that's it. Like, I'm just simply gonna wait and look what price is doing. Because if we are dumping, I really don't want to participate in this. Um, because as I said, we are still in this range, all-time highest condition, and also ES already took out all targets lower. I don't know. So for me, it isn't that probable to target something lower as of right now. If you get clean candles lower, this would be nice because I mean we are still also 300 points away from the draw below. So I'm just gonna wait now. Let's see. I hope, like, I kind of feel a weird feeling because I feel like I'm gonna do some bullshit. So every time I have this feeling, I actually end up taking a trade and I end up losing. So I gotta step away for a moment. Exactly. Like, what is this, brother? I have like a low key position marked out right here because it seems like we want to flip, but we just don't have enough volume to the upside. But eventually we will go there. So I don't know. Like, but I'm of course not gonna entry that. We ended up inverting this 50-minute gap lower. Yes, end up more bullish as of right now. Respected the gap, pushed higher, but I don't know really. Like, I feel this would be pretty dumb and just forcing something. We could easily just chop around here or go higher, go lower. Like I told y'all, this is kind of sketchy. I would rather stay out instead of just take a stupid trade. And even if my idea kind of plays out, I'm fine with that. Like, I don't want to have a losing trade, and I think this might be the fastest I've ever hopped off because it's not even 10. And I already told the Discord, I think at 9:50 that I'm gonna hop off because it's literally there's no point. Like, look, I told him right here, I might hop off already. I can't lie, and it was 10 minutes ago. This is a new record of mine, I think. By the way, join the Discord. If you want to participate and just be a part of the community, we are growing. Thank you so much, guys. You are the best. But yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna just give it a few more minutes because I mean, why not? I'm only half an hour in, but I can already tell it. I mean, I don't. There's even no point in order to give it a shot. I'm simply gonna hop off right here and end the video. I don't wanna force anything, and I feel like we don't get anything, so I'm gonna just trust my analysis, kind of trust my gut, trust my skills, and hop off. Simple as that, guys. I hope this is an inspiration for you if you are struggling to with overtrading, FOMO, or whatever. I'm just gonna hop off and call it a day, and my day is perfect from now on. Yeah, I think GG's, whatever I can say to that, but I didn't really want to short. I only wanted to long. Now we ended up inverting this 50-minute gap. This is a steep move with a lot of imbalances on a 5-minute. So if we end up flipping, I feel like we are gonna range. So there's no point in order to target those highs and no point to target those lows. So really, it's just a smart decision. I'm gonna hop off and just do the rest of kind of my tasks that I have. I have a lot to do. But yeah, thank you guys. I hope you did not FOMO into something. Let me know in the comments if you have actually ended up taking a trade. But if not, if you did not take a trade, well done, because there's literally nothing you could have taken. Maybe, I don't know, something off open like this if you have really big balls or trade like this. But I do not. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. We'll see us in the next one. Bye bye.